Hi, my name's Rachel Webley and I'm a music teacher in a secondary school in South Wales. A few years ago we started a ukulele club called the Ukulaliens, and I started making ukulele play-along videos to help the students learn. If you haven't been there, check out my Ukulaliens YouTube channel. I'll pop a link in the description below. Why Ukulele Wales? Well, I was being asked to make tutorials to go along with the play-along videos, and I wanted to keep that channel just as it is. It's a lot easier for school. So what else can you find on Ukulele Wales? Well, there's ukulele lessons and tutorials, especially for beginners. I've done tutorials on chords and on strumming. Hopefully lots of useful information looking at maintenance of your ukuleles, accessories for your ukuleles, straps and cases and strings. I have done a few reviews. I do enjoy a good unboxing if it's something I'm very excited about. I talk about how to store your ukuleles and where to buy ukuleles. There's bass ukulele or U-bass lessons and tutorials, and information about amplifiers and playing your bass ukuleles. Now, I love electric ukulele and effects pedals on that. So again, I've been making videos how to build a pedal board, what effects work well with your ukuleles. And we've got a merch shop, Ukulaliens shop, okay? Redbubble, there's normally a link in the header on our YouTube channel, and I always pop a link in the description below. If you need any more information, my website is ukulele.wales. Loads of information on there, and I will be regularly updating and adding videos to Ukulele Wales here on YouTube. If you've got any comments or questions, please feel free to drop them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos, and thank you for watching.